Hey guys, welcome to Smart Bengali. So I was looking for a good quality low priced Ethernet cable to connect my PS4 to my nearest access point. After spending a half an hour on the various websites, finally I decided to purchase Terabyte CAT5E Ethernet cable. I knew Terabyte isn't a company with good reputations, but since I was getting it at a very cheap price, I decided to purchase it anyway. Before moving to the unboxing, let me share some information about Ethernet cables, cause I think this is important. Ethernet cables are classified into several categories based on their maximum transmission speed. For example, this one is CAT5E type, and there are several other types like CAT3, CAT6, CAT6A, CAT7, etc. CAT5 cable can transmit data of 100 megabytes per second over a distance of 100 meters. CAT5E is an upgraded version of CAT5. E stands for enhanced version. It supports speed up to 1000 megabytes per second. Actually, it was introduced to reduce the amount of crosstalk. I know this video is getting a little technical. This is not the purpose of this video. So let's move on to unboxing. So if you want to know more about the technical side of these cables, please let me know in the comment section. I'll make a separate video about this. So here's the package. Standard Amazon packaging. Let me cut the package. Okay, I can tear it from here. There's nothing left inside the package. Let me put it aside. So this is our cable. Let's have a look on the package. Terabyte CAT5E RJ45 Ethernet LAN cable here. The price is mentioned here as Rs 999, but we all know the actual price is almost 1/10 of the mentioned price. So let's cut the plastic. Let me cut it from here. The cable quality seems good. Let's examine it further. I need to untangle these cable wrappings. Okay, here is our cable. First, let me check the RJ45 connectors. I can see the crimping has been done correctly. All of the contact pins are intact and properly connected to the corresponding wires. The good thing is that they have included plug boot on the clip. Plug boot can prevent the connector clip from flipping up or even breaking off from the cable. When the plastic clip is broken, the cable won't be able to firmly connect to the network, which will then cause interrupt in the data transmission. They included one normal type boot and a snagless boot at the other end. It's a nice addition. Let's check the cable quality. It has ETL verification mark on it. ETL is a certification mark, and that tells us the product has met a certain design and performance standard. It's a mark of reliability, but I don't think a cheap cable like this is actually ETL certified. Even they have printed the mark on it. The outer material is very sharp and it doesn't look like a cheap cable. Although I don't think you should be able to use this cable for outdoor purposes. Better to keep it for indoor purposes only, because this plastic shielding is not up to the mark. Okay, we have seen the physical overview. Let me connect this cable to my router and PC and examine the actual speed. Okay, let me perform a speed test. I'm performing this test in a 16 megabits per second bandwidth plan. So let's see how much I can get from this cable. Okay, the upload and download speed is fine. I'm absolutely satisfied with the speed. Let's check again with Netflix server this time. The result is quite satisfactory. Alright guys, we are at the end of this video. Let me conclude this video with my final thoughts. This is a very low cost cable, and if you consider the price, it's a really good cable. However, if you want to use it for a professional purpose, then it's a big no for me. This cable shouldn't be used for outdoor purposes. It won't last for a long time. Another thing, if you buy this cable from Amazon, then there might be a chance that you will get a shorter cable than you have ordered. In my case, it was 1 meter short. If you want to buy this cable, I will leave a link in the video description. Guys, I know you are new here, so I request you to please subscribe to my channel. I make technology related videos in this channel, and I promise I won't disappoint you. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in my next video.